I've been back for the test and unfortunately only this one passed. So this is the one that came from Gina and I made that little wire repair to hold in the lens. So you can see the way it has a nice little hard edge here. I think we were okay with the heights and everything like that, but it's the focus of the lens they weren't happy with. So as I said, this has a nice hard edge here and this one is kind of soft, and you can also see that kind of whisker kind of going off up in this direction here. I need to get that going with this left hand light, which is the one I sealed again with an Irish lens on the outside, and the back part is a original German one. So maybe there's something in the design of that doesn't allow that to work, and I'll have to go back to a fully Irish light, or I have a slight suspicion, there's a possibility that the bulb is damaged or something. So I'm going to try another bulb in it and see if I get this sort of shape or pattern into it before I go doing anything drastic. Okay, let's have a look at this bulb. I noticed that it's lost a lot of the black cover on the tip here, so that could be sending light reflecting around in there and making it unfocused. Should have got some new bulbs before I went for the test. Let's take this one out a second. You see that has a black tip. Okay, moment of truth here. Looking at that, I'm not convinced that there's a significant difference between the two bulbs, despite that missing paint from the tip. I'm going to have to go back to the one that I took the glass off to put on Mobi. So this is the German glass here. Take that off. I'm going to have to try and tidy this fella up a bit. So that's about as much force as was probably holding that on all the way back from Germany. Now this reflector is rusty here, and it's got a few bad patches here. Hopefully, I wonder, is that what was different? Let's have a look. We've got the German light with this one. So yeah, that's the thing that's different about the German reflector, is the light has a little guide bar going off the side here on this side, and it goes off the other side on that one, and that's what's making the difference in the test. So this is on the other side on a European light. Okay, you have to remove that Irish lens from the German reflector. Now we're talking. So, get new ideas now. What do you reckon? I reckon that's not enough. I think I need to, but that's a lovely lens. If I put one of those, oh, I was just going to say, I'm going to keep going the route I'm going with that other one. But you could probably just change that around. I keep going with what I'm doing because I would like to have a good German lens too. I'm going to go with wheel steel for the back. So the top half is pretty good, so I'm going to mask that. And what I use on it is this chrome look paint. I'll do another coat in about 10 minutes. Give it another coat of the chrome look paint. I let that dry overnight and it's looking pretty good. So I'll strip off the masking now. Certainly a lot better than it was. Just rub the edge between the paint and the chrome with a little bit of petrol on this cloth, just to smoothen it out. Back to the cake skills. I'm going to just push this down into it. Stick a few tie wraps on it now just to hold it together for now. Okay, we'll fit this in because I need to try this immediately. Connect everything back up. Okay, moment of truth. Ah, there's good pattern there. Nice one. So there's the little kick up that this side was missing. That's brilliant, they look pretty matched. Definitely going to have to pay a bit of attention to the rust here very shortly. So at least opening all this up was a worthwhile discovery. I just got a pair of new headlight bulbs ordered from Mick's Garage. Because I've just been swapping old bulbs around, I don't want to take the risk of heading to the test and having one of them pop on me on the way. Put too much effort into this. I've actually got only one day left before I'd have to go and resit the entire test again. well packed. There we go. To use my special new clip. Let Mobi warm up there and get ready. Fingers crossed. Looking good. That's it. Mobi's finally passed the test. He's back on the road and certified for the next 2 years driving in Ireland.